The iPhone 17 Pro Max is already shaping up to be Apple's most futuristic iPhone ever. We're talking about a possible 24-megapixel front camera, a thinner design, and a major leap in performance. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a shift in Apple's entire design philosophy. Let's break down all the confirmed leaks and strongest rumors about the iPhone 17 Pro Max right now. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is rumored to be getting a major redesign, thinner, lighter, and more elegant. Apple might finally refine the edges and go with an even more premium titanium alloy. Apple is reportedly planning a major redesign for the iPhone 17 Pro and iPhone 17 Pro Max. A new leak gives us an early close-up look at the changes. Gadget tipster Majin Buu recently posted to photos on X showing what appears to be a dummy unit of the upcoming Pro model. The dummy unit is shown in a deep black color that looks even darker than the iPhone 16 Pro's black titanium. The camera bar runs across the top of the back and includes individual circular camera rings. The LED flash and LiDAR sensor appear on the far right side of the module. Previous leaks had suggested a shift like this, but these newly surfaced images provide a more detailed glimpse of what the actual design could look like. One of the photos shows a side view of the camera bar, revealing its noticeable thickness. The module appears to be elevated above the phone's surface, with the individual camera rings protruding even further. This might indicate upgraded camera hardware, though it also brings up concerns about how the phone will handle in daily use or slide into a pocket. The iPhone 17 Pro Max might be the first iPhone with a 24-megapixel selfie camera. According to analysts Jeff Pugh and a few reliable tipsters, Apple's testing this for sharper, more detailed selfies and better low-light video for creators. Performance-wise, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is expected to run on the A19 Pro chip, possibly built on a next-gen 3nm process. This means more power, less heat, and better battery life, all in one. With the rise of on-device AI, the A19 Pro will likely bring huge improvements in real-time image processing, Siri interactions, and even live translations, making the Pro Max feel way smarter than anything before. There's also talk of stacked battery tech coming to the Pro Maximum. This allows Apple to squeeze higher battery capacity into a thinner frame, a big deal if they're slimming down the body. And of course, the display's getting better too. Rumors point to a micro-lens OLED panel, offering higher brightness and better power efficiency. You'll see clearer in sunlight, and it'll sip battery instead of chugging it. Expect the 17 Pro Max to lean heavily into Apple's new AI ecosystem. With iOS 26, we'll likely see smarter photo edits, proactive widgets, and real-time Gen AI tools, all running privately on-device thanks to that A19 Pro chip. So to recap, a thinner titanium body, 24-megapixel selfie camera, an A19 Pro chip, stacked battery, and a better screen. The iPhone 17 Pro Max might just be Apple's most premium, futuristic iPhone ever. If this is the future of iPhones, are you in? Drop your thoughts in the comments, smash that like button, and subscribe for more no-hype Apple breakdowns.